Okay, hello. This is Goodison Gamer once again, and warm welcome to you all to a new review. This is Space Panic on the Commodore 64. This is a pretty new release, I think it was last year. But it's a port of an old game, of course. Like I saw earlier, it said something about 1983. Let's put the skill one player here, because I'm rookie to this game. Yeah, so this is a game that was released in arcade in 1980, and later was ported over to Colecovision and other systems, I think. So this game we are playing today, this version is a port of the Colecovision game. So I play as this dude here. And I need to dig holes here, and they have to be deep enough so they can fall into them. So I should try again up here. 2, 3. No, it was not deep enough. It's a little slow with the controls. It was not. So we are starting out pretty bad here. So if there is any viewers who know about this game, please comment. I have never tried any of the old games. So now I need to knock them down. 100 points there. 2, 3. There you go. There. So it's a pretty basic concept. This one. But it will be harder. But this is the game actually. More enemies will show up, and there is a little bit of delay with the controls, and the enemies crawl up out from the holes very quick, so you need to be spot on. Let's try again here. There you can see there is a delay going on there. One, and there is so it's a little bit of frustrating. Come on, can I come over here? Can I dig here? Okay, there you go. So I play with my Xbox One controller, so when I push down and A button, that is when I dig hole, and when I knock them out, it's up and A button. So now it's the new level here, so it's the same screen, but more enemies. So what do I think about it so far? Yeah, I mean, it's a decent game, but nothing really special. Okay, now I'm screwed, I think. Okay, let's try here. Can I dig a hole here? Yes, shit, I'm circled here. Yes, I managed. So there you go. So I mean, this is nothing sophisticated with this game, but it's cool to kill off a few minutes here and there, you know. So it's a decent game, actually. I should try out this level, and perhaps one more. I shall see if it's possible. So there you go. Now it's level 3. No, is it one left? Didn't I kill this dude? I don't really understand what the hell is happening here. Let's try again. Or do I have to dig more holes so he fall through many floors? Let's try again here. Okay, I think I got it now. This will be a pretty tough one, actually. Okay, so now he's transformed into something more here. I should try to do... I don't really know how to do this. Let's try if we can kill him here. No, he just continue. So this is... Oh, now I'm running out of time as well. So if there is any viewers who know what the hell am I supposed to do this? This is completely useless. So there, I die there. So that was strange. So I think I must build. So I'm back at this level again, I think. Okay, I should give it another go here. Come on. What the hell are these enemies? Are they carrots or something? It looks like they are some kind of vegetable. They don't look so scary actually. Oh, now I'm encircled. That was bad. Is this my last life now? So this is a space attack. It don't look like I'm in space actually. I don't know the plot. Where am I in a grocery store? Oh. So cannot dig here when there is no space. There is alright. So come on now. Have to lure him up here somewhere. It's possible. And try to dig deeper here. That is not good. It's not even. It's not even. Now he comes this way. And transform there. Let's see now. Can he come up here? No, he refuses. Oh, it's immortal, this one. So I have to lure him up somehow. Up here. Can you come up here so you can drop down? Come up here. So I can drop you down at least 3 floors. There you go. There you go, 500 points. So that was the key. So okay, I'm happy. I managed in the end. It took some time. So now there will be more enemies here. There will be 7 of them. So I mean, it's very repetitive. It could be fun if there was some more variations. So then now they only transform into other colors, and that's not that fun actually. Come on, don't be chicken. Can you come over here and drop down? Fall into the hole here. Come on. Stupid carrot. Oh, they are brain dead. Oh, feeling a little bit bored now actually, but can I take this dude out? Yeah, good. Now I shall lure up this dude here, so we can fall a few floors down here. Let's try. There. There. No way! I was trapped. So, but I think we have seen enough now. I probably have one more life, but I must say I'm a little bit bored now. So, but I mean, it's a decent game to kill off a few minutes. So, but nothing special to it. It's alright. It's a right game. Cool sound effects. Perhaps a little bit of music could have been better as well. Improve the game a little. But I will rate it 5 out of 10 for Panic Space or Space Panic or whatever it is called on the Commodore 64. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Take care and have a good one. Goodbye.